What is the ruling for a child to fast that hasn't reached age of puberty? What is the ruling? ما حكم صيام الصبي الذي لم يبلغ? What we say is that the child who hasn't reached puberty, fasting is not obligatory on him, or it's not obligatory on her. The child doesn't have to fast. The fasting is obligatory on the individual who reaches age of puberty. The mukallaf is the one who is aqil and baligh. It is the individual who reaches age of puberty. The child is not mukallaf. He hasn't reached age of puberty. So we say لا يجب الصوم على الصبي ولكن له أجر إذا صام. It is not obligatory for that child to fast, but if he chooses to fast and he wants to fast, or the parents, they make him fast, then the child gets the reward, but it's not obligatory on him.